Okay, so let's see what comes today for me. Almost there. Here we go. Tablets. Okay. It meant to be brand new, but I can't see any seals on it. Okay, well, we don't need the big box. So let's see, okay. The tablet itself. Okay, there's screen protector, so that's good. It looks okay, it looks new. Right, let's deal with this in a moment. Okay, screen protector, which is really nice from the seller. European warranty, blah blah blah. Okay, the charger. Okay, but I can see it is UK charger, even when it was stated that it will be European EU charger. So UK is not in EU anymore, and that's not European charger, that's UK charger. Okay, USB-C cable. Okay, pen. Okay, 2 SIM cards to put the small SIM cards into the tablet, some clothes, manual, and the last but not least, really nice cover for the tablet to protect it. Okay. Yeah, that's really cool. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye for now.